Are queer dating challenges different for trans and non-binary people? Are queer dating challenges different for transgender and non-binary people? This is a question that many people are curious about, and the answer is yes. The experiences of transgender and non-binary individuals in the dating world often differ from those of cisgender queer individuals. Transgender and non-binary people frequently face unique hurdles when it comes to finding romantic partners. Their gender identities and expressions may not align with societal expectations based on the sex assigned to them at birth. This can lead to a smaller dating pool and more experiences of rejection or misunderstanding. For instance, transgender women often report having a harder time meeting potential partners compared to other transgender and non-binary groups. One significant factor contributing to these challenges is cissexism, which is the systemic privileging of cisgender identities. This can manifest in various ways, including discrimination, misgendering, and deadnaming, which is being called by a former name. These experiences can be particularly painful in dating contexts, where acceptance is crucial. Mental health is another area where transgender and non-binary individuals may face difficulties. Research shows that they often experience higher rates of depression, anxiety, and thoughts of self-harm compared to their cisgender peers. This is often linked to the stress of dealing with prejudice and rejection in romantic and social situations. However, supportive romantic relationships can help mitigate some of these negative effects. On dating apps and platforms, many transgender and non-binary users encounter trans-exclusionary preferences. This means that some potential partners explicitly state they are not interested in dating transgender or non-binary individuals. Additionally, there is a risk of fetishization, where individuals are reduced to stereotypes rather than seen as whole people. These experiences can be emotionally damaging and limit opportunities for genuine connections. Access to gender-affirming medical care also plays a role in dating experiences. Some transgender and non-binary individuals may face barriers to medical transition due to costs or a lack of knowledgeable healthcare providers. These factors can influence how they feel about their bodies and how they are perceived by potential partners. For those navigating queer dating as a transgender or non-binary person, there are practical steps that can help. Seeking out LGBTQ+ and specifically transgender and non-binary affirming social spaces and dating platforms can increase the chances of finding accepting partners. Building strong support networks, including chosen family and friends, is also essential. Open communication about identity and boundaries with potential partners can help reduce misunderstandings. It is also important to prioritize mental health and self-care to manage the emotional challenges that can arise from dating discrimination. Advocating for respectful treatment and addressing transphobia when encountered is vital for creating a more inclusive dating environment. While all queer individuals may face challenges in dating, transgender and non-binary people often experience distinct obstacles related to societal stigma and access to supportive communities. Recognizing these differences is key to fostering healthy and fulfilling queer relationships.